Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove black background in CapCut PC. To remove the black background in CapCut, first download the software using the provided button. Then follow the installation instructions and sign in using your Facebook, Google, or TikTok credentials. Open the CapCut and select Import from the main editing interface. Then upload your video file from the device. Now, navigate to the right editing panel and select Remove BG, or the auto removal feature automatically cuts out human figures. Tap on the Cut Out. For more precise control, use the custom removal option, which provides 3 tools. The smart brush, which lets you paint out the object you want to keep. The smart eraser, which removes parts of the subject from the selection. And the simple eraser, which eliminates selected areas wherever applied. After making your adjustments, click Apply to remove the background. For backgrounds with consistent colors, such as green or blue screens, use the chroma key tool to achieve accurate results. Once the video is finalized, go to the Export section. Adjust parameters such as quality, frame rate, codec, and bitrate according to your preferences. Save the video or share it on platforms like YouTube and TikTok from within CapCut. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.